Local news for Monday the 24th of June. George Bunnett from Cracker Range has become the Young Viticulturist of the Year to represent Wairarapa at the national final in August at Te Awa, with the winner announced the Brigado dinner on the 29th of August. Hilary Forster from Matahiwi was runner-up. The Rianzel price index fell 4% nationwide in the 3 months to May 2019 compared to the 3 months to April 2018. Data released by the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows there was 63 less farm sales, down 14.2%. For the Wairarapa Wellington region, May was a tough month with 0 sales of pastoral properties and 1 cropping unit. The Masterton District Council has launched a new campaign to boost voter turnout in October's local body elections. In the last local government election in 2016, voter turnout was below the national average for provincial areas, 44.7% compared to the average of 45.7%. Chief Executive Kath Ross says we need a mix of candidates of all ages, demographics and backgrounds to ensure the Masterton community is well represented around the council table. And in sport and Premier Rugby, Matamara beat Gladstone 27-25, Greytown beat Carterton 38-25, and Marist down 18-14 at half-time beat East Coast 46-18.